Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding messages and notification previews from your lock screen on iPhone and other iOS devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Normally, when you get a message or notification, it will display a preview of the message, like here on the lock screen, and also when you swipe down to your notification menu. If you want to increase your privacy and make it not show any of your message previews, this is how you can do it. Start by opening up the Settings app. In Settings, select Notifications. Tap on the first option here called Show Previews. If you set this option to never, it will never display any previews of any notification when the phone is locked or unlocked. If you only want to hide previews when the phone is locked, select the option When Unlocked. These options are for every single application notification. If you want to just hide notification previews for specific apps, you can do that too. Go back to Notification Options and scroll down to find the app you want to change. In the notification settings for each app here, you can change the Show Previews setting to Never Show Previews or Only When Unlocked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.